Hey guys, let's try a fourth lock for today. It's a no-name laminated, so no point of showing that. It's a 44mm padlock that I have also tried a couple times now, but I haven't tried rocking on it. So let's see if we can get it open in any way here. Hopefully we can, because I just need something to put on the tree now. Oh, that was good. Now at least we're sure to get something on the tree today. Then we just need, what? It's the 18th. We need 5 more locks. And I am pretty sure I have 2 I can open. Should be able to anyway. That means I need 3 more. That must be possible. I have, what, almost 15 locks or so. I'm gonna take that. I've tried this and the others multiple times. That's for another lock I just tried. So I'm just gonna take that and leave it at that, because I'm also quite late with the video today. But, well, we could try a quick in-hand rocking. I can already say I can't seem to be able to SPP this, and yeah. Yeah, that didn't work. That actually just locked up the core. Anyway, let's get it on the tree. And I'll see if I can get some videos the next 5 days. Hopefully we can. I want to be able to finish the video. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe I counted wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. What? Ah, yeah, I'm right. Counting through the camera didn't work well. Yes, 18 there is. It's not 5 more, it's 6 more. And 2 I know I can open. That means I need 4 locks. Must be possible. I'll try, but it's gonna be more rake and rock than SPP for most of them from here on, I think, because after all the attempts I've had on all these locks, I don't think I'm gonna be able to, in this short amount of time, be able to open them. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the quick little video. Thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.